Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add designation here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your admin account. Now go to the top and click on the gear icon. Click on settings right here. And then once done, go ahead over to manage accounts. Alright, click on manage account. Now in here, go ahead and click on organization setup. Alright, click on it, and once done, here you have your designations. Click on it and go ahead and click on add a designation to add in your first designation. Just click on it, and once done, go ahead and add in the designation name. For example, UI design. Okay. Mail alias. Go ahead and add in your mail alias, and then once done, just click on submit. After that, go ahead and edit the forms if you want to. Just click on the drop down and all of your forms will be shown in here. Just basically select one. If not, just hit on close and you're good to go. Here you have your new designation. Now, if you want to invite users for this specific designation, you can go ahead and click on users right here. Find the specific user, for example, Tristan right here. Now, work information, we have designation. Click on the pencil icon. Now select from the drop down, and here you have UI design. Just click on a check mark, and once done, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.